In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Patreon to your YouTube channel. If you've been looking for a simple way to let viewers support your work, adding your Patreon link right to your YouTube channel is a great move. We'll walk through it from start to finish, and I'll point out a few tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening youtube.com and logging into your channel account. For convenience, also open your Patreon creator page in a separate browser tab so you can quickly grab your link when you need it. Back on YouTube, look to the left-hand side of the screen and scroll down until you see YouTube Studio. Click that to enter your channel's backend. Once you're in Studio, find Customization in the left menu. This is where you control how your channel looks and what information appears on your public profile. Inside Customization, go to the section where you manage your channel details. You'll see a links area, which is where YouTube lets you add external links that appear on your channel. Scroll to the links section and choose Add Link. This opens a small form where you'll provide the title and the URL. Now switch to your Patreon tab. On your creator page, look for the 3 horizontal dots near the Edit Page button. Click those dots and choose Share. In the share options that appear, click Copy Link. This copies your public Patreon page URL to your clipboard so you can paste it into YouTube without typing it by hand. Return to your YouTube Studio tab. In the Links section, add a clear, friendly title for your link, like Support Me on Patreon, so viewers instantly understand what it is. Then paste the Patreon URL into the URL field. Double check that the link looks correct, and click Add Link. That's it. Your Patreon link is now part of your channel's links. Viewers will be able to find it on your channel's About section, and depending on your channel settings, it can also appear as a link overlay on your channel banner. A quick tip: keep your link title short and helpful, and make sure the Patreon page itself is up to date so that when people click through, they immediately see how to support you. You've successfully connected Patreon to your YouTube channel. Now, when you mention support options in your videos, you can confidently point people to the link on your channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you turn your audience's appreciation into reliable support.